Hey, guess what I'm going to show you how to do? I'm going to cut Bigfoot out of a United States quarter. Specifically this one, the Arizona State quarter. I know what you're thinking, what does Bigfoot have to do with Arizona? You're probably not from Arizona. But we got other fun stuff. We've got UFOs, vortexes, El Chupacabra, and ghost towns. But anyway, I'm going to show you how I cut Bigfoot out of coins. First things first, grab your quarter, grab your calipers, zero that. Figure out your diameter of your quarter. Alright, 9.5, that's good enough. So I like to use a computer, specifically I like to use Corel Draw. Let's make our circle. What did I say? 9.5? 0.95. Boom, there's my quarter. Now let's go to Google and let's type in Bigfoot. Learn how to spell. Ooh, so we've got choices. I like this one. Oh. Copy this one. So you want to get your Bigfoot and get your quarter and then really size it together. Oh, that's dope. Keep in mind you want a hole right here for your ring to go through, because yeah, you want to wear this around your neck. I feel like that looks good. What I like to do is multiply the crap out of it. Now we're gonna go print this page. So when you print it out, it looks like this. I'll show you what to do with it next. Alright, for my next trick, I thought of this transfer method all by myself. What you need is a piece of tape. Pick a Bigfoot, any Bigfoot. Make sure you get the design all in there. And then Bigfoot image should be left. Now you get your quarter. Alright, so I like to use clear tape because sometimes I like to align my design with the design marks on the quarter itself. Sometimes this is not important, but for this it is, because I try to line up Bigfoot's head with the state name. And I want to put my ring hole through the O in Arizona. So after you cut it out, it looks like this. Now you just need to poke some holes in it. I use really tiny drill bits. This one, size 50. Its diameter is just slightly big enough for the ring that I want to put through here. Okay, I'm ready. This is my jeweler's saw. I dig it. And the blade I use is from Nano, pepetools, and 4/0. I don't really know what that means other than it's really small. I'm not a scientist. Anyway, here's my Bigfoot quarter. I put the blade in through his armpit hole. And then I put pressure against my chest when I tighten it to keep the blade very taut. Alright, cool. This is a jeweler's frame. I've been cutting coins for years. I never used one until a few months ago, and it's useful. So yeah, here we go. around his head is tricky because he's got a neck and a nose and an extended eyebrow. Done. And when you're done, you take it off ever so gently. Boom. That's how you do it. And then you just peel the tape off, and then you could go get an abrasive rubber wheel and a dremel and just buff out both sides so it's not so jagged. And then you can put a ring on it because you like it. Alright, so I'm going to buff these out. I got this at Harbor Freights. This is just a rubber wheel. Good luck finding them, they're difficult. And then just go over it. Then flip them over. By the way, this is tape. You can stick them down to your work surface any way that you can. We're gonna put a ring on it. And then you put a chain on it. Usually the ones I sell are 24 inches. Boom, it's done. That's how you put Bigfoot on a coin. Any questions? You could leave them in the comment section and maybe I'll get back to you. Also, I don't want to see any dumb comments about how coin cutting is illegal. First of all, it's not. Second of all, I don't care what you Googled, Karen, okay? It's not illegal. Go to the zoo and museums and figure out why they're squishing pennies. If it was illegal, they would not be doing that.